Hello, everyone. Today's January 8th. Oh, it's 2025 now. Happy New Year, everyone. So this is our first meeting for the data protection working group in 2025. Hope everyone had a great holiday break. Okay, so we're gonna get started. We can check the status of the CPT project.
Sure. Happy New Year, everyone. Yeah. So there was a new CV upstream on the gRPC Health Pro package, which was holding up the pipeline.
A new
We're
CV,
trying to
I'm sorry,
work
a new
around
what?
it.
A new CV?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So while we're
Is it,
working for that, sorry.
It's in here. It's in snapshot metadata.
It's upstream in the gRPC Health Probe package, which we pull in.
Oh, it's pro.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're working around it by temporarily disabling the Trivi scanner. We'll put it back later.
Oh, trick. Okay. Um, not here, right? Is it here?
No, but it's holding up all these things.
Okay. Where is? Can you share the link? Where's that one?
And Prasad pasted a link, I
I
think.
didn't.
This one? No, not this one. Oh, okay.
So we are using
This
gRPC Health
one.
Pro.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we basically, okay, so it looks like it's just says we need to update. So if we update this,
This
it should be fine, isn't it? Or no?
yeah, the gRPC Health Pro hasn't been released with the fix yet,
I see.
and it's been used as dependency.
Oh, so this gRPC Health probably is used in upstream E2 test somewhere?
Yeah, it's used in the external snapshot metadata container image.
Yeah.
Okay, where is this health probe used in?
I think it's in the YAML, reference from the YAML to uh,
It's in
perform
the
the.
container image of our sidecar.
Yeah.
All right, so who is working on, we have to wait for the release of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're trying to work around it, right? So I think Rakshit
It was
also.
just released 3 weeks ago. Are you saying this needs another release?
Yes. Yes, it's the second CV for.
So what is your workaround?
Yeah, so the workaround is to temporarily disable the Trivi scan vulnerability scanner. And, so we'll put it back before we make any public releases, of course, but it's holding us up right now. The end-to-end test is almost ready. There are just some minor issues on what image tag should be used in the CSI driver host path test. Um,
Okay.
Prasad, you want to address that?
Yeah. So the PR for adding support for snapshot metadata service in CSS for driver that has been merged. There's averaged another PR based on our discussion last time to add documentation for someone if someone wants to try this feature end to end, right? So this is the PR for that, where I've made changes in the deploy script as well as added a documentation about setting up the end-to-end things and try out the feature. Yeah, I've added step-by-step guide.
Okay.
The decision we have to make here is which image we should use for hostpath plugin. Because if someone wants to try this feature, right, since it has not been released yet, we cannot use the release tag in the YAMLs. Yeah,
Yeah,
one
we should.
workaround is
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, so we have to then we have to wait. Yeah, wait until we have that released. Yeah, then so we need to hold it off, I think.
okay, or yeah, we can just add a note in maybe in the docs that the image needs to be updated if you want to use this feature. And then in the YAMLs, we can just use the same release tag so that next time when we make the actual release, the release version will be bumped up, or image tag will be bumped up automatically. Does that
So,
make sense?
okay. Now, does this, okay.
So it's based on the feature flag anyways. By default, it won't add the sidecar. It's behind the environment variable.
So is this, okay, so we can use this one, right? Do we have this one built?
Yeah.
Canary is there, yes.
Then, yeah, this,
Canary is there.
that's fine. I think we can, this is better than like your own, your own image, right? So this is at least it's in the staging. I know this one is changing all the time, but then, yeah, I think this is fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are fine with not using release tag there, right? Canary would work.
So right, yes, right now it's okay, right? We have just you add it to do, that's okay. Then we can replace it once we have the release. Because right now
Okay.
we don't have any release, right? So I think this is okay temporarily. Should be fine.
Cool. Okay. And yeah, as I said, it won't be deployed by default.
If we do a pull, this one it has it, right? Already, right?
Yeah. Since
Okay, then
the
yeah, as long as it can pull, then I think that should be fine.
cool.
Then we replace it once we release. Okay. So this,
Right. Yeah, once we merge this, that will unblock our end-to-end test progress.
okay. Application.
So this PR has been merged.
This is already merged, right? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now that's why Canary builds now have this feature.
Okay. This is confusing now. I think the example we have the example now with this, I guess, right?
Yeah, it's in the same
Okay.
PR.
Yeah. Stop documentation. Okay. How to use the feature.
It's not an example for backup endpoint. It's an example for testing this end-to-end feature using the sample client.
Okay.
Yeah, the doc on how to use the feature is still pending. I was
Yeah.
waiting on trying to get the host to do the testing through the host path CSI driver.
That's this one, right? That's the doc, how to use the feature. This is the one, right? No?
Well, yeah, that's behind the whole thing, but there's a blog. I think we're supposed to
Oh,
write something.
that's blog. That's different. Blog is here.
It's a different thing. Yeah, that's different. Okay.
Is there another doc?
No, that would be the blog only.
Oh, yeah, this is okay. Doc on
So
how the feature works in HostPass, I guess.
yeah, that Prasad worked on.
Yeah. Okay. And then do we still have this one?
No, we got a pending image, right, Prasad? We have an image, sorry.
Yeah.
It's still okay. So it's still pending because do we need the release image? So we probably still keep this one here until.
We are using Canary image in the.
Okay. All right.
Prasad, you mentioned this morning that we had an issue with master versus main again.
Again?
Or
Yeah.
How do we got that fixed? No?
did we see that again today?
We'll try after merging another PR if you see the
Yeah,
same.
we'll check
same
after.
figure.
Yeah, right now with all the hold up in the PR pipeline, it's like we don't know what order things are going in. So yeah.
Okay. So basically this issue, right? So this issue list. This one. Pipeline issue. Okay. And okay. Okay, so those are the other things. Do we still have anything pending on the testing for? This is merged, that, yeah, this merged. We don't need this anymore, right? Do we have anything pending in testing for?
Don't think so.
Okay, all right.
There are some Daniel, there's some PRs pending in this thing.
You still have something pending in testing for?
No, I'm looking in our repo, not the.
Yeah, but testing for, do we
Like
have
the merge,
everything
yeah.
merged? Okay, I would just, I now this is getting confused for me. Oh, this one. If there was something we can add back, but, and, yeah, well, this one is, yeah, okay, so this rest of them are okay. Okay, so this is ongoing, I guess, raw cache. He's working on this one, right? Sorry, how do you pronounce it? Rakshit?
Rakshit.
Yeah, you working on this one, right?
Yeah, I still require a few APIs from Ceph, but I'm
Okay.
expecting it to be done in like 1.5 months or so.
Okay.
So yeah, we should probably have a Ceph CSI implementation of CBT in 2.5 months.
Okay. All right. So what are the other things that are holding us off? So everything's except looks like just the pipeline that's blocking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, so that's good. Hopefully we can get this one down soon. Are there other things like, okay, so I think, yeah, one group section that moved to beta, we already released it, so we are all set for that one. Are there other issues that we are tracking here? Okay. This one. Anything else? Anyone want to discuss? Otherwise, we're done. We have more than 40 minutes back. All right. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Thanks, folks. Bye.
Thanks, guys.